Hi there! I'm Teacher Ants and welcome back to our Music Theory series. Sa nakaraang lesson, pinag-usapan natin ang clefs at note names. Ngayon naman, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano binibilang ang musika. Yes, may math sa music. Pero huwag mag-alala, madali lang to. Kaya kung ready ka ng matutong bumasa at bumilang ng nota, let's get started! Part 1. What are note values? Una sa lahat, ang note value ay nagsasabi kung gaano katagal tutugtugin ang isang nota. Ibig sabihin, ilang beats siya tumatagal. Think of notes like musical candies. May iba na mabilis matunaw at meron ding matagal bago mawala. Let me introduce you to some of our basic note values. Whole note. Ito ang pinakamahaba. 4 beats ang tagal niya. Parang buong araw kang nagre-relax. Next, the half note. Kalahati ng whole note, so 2 beats siya. Quarter note. Ito ang pinakakaraniwang note. One beat. Parang lakad mo sa sidewalk, one step at a time. Eighth note. Now, we go faster. The eighth note. It takes half a beat, kaya dalawa sila sa bawat quarter note. Parang jogging na. Kaya tandaan, whole equals 4. Half equals 2. Quarter equals 1. Eighth equals 1/2. Part 2. Time signatures. Okay, time for a new concept. Time signature. Ito yung dalawang number sa simula ng music sheet. Hindi po yan fraction, kahit mukha siyang ganon. Yung top number tells us how many beats per measure. Yung bottom number tells us what kind of note gets 1 beat. Halimbawa, 4/4 time signature means 4 beats per measure, 1 quarter note per beat. Kaya siya tinatawag na common time. Kung 3/4 naman, like in waltz music, 3 beats per measure, quarter note pa rin ang isang beat. So you count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Parang ballroom. Okay, let's review. Whole note equals 4 beats. Half note equals 2 beats. Quarter note equals 1 beat. Eighth note equals half beat. Time signature. Top equals number of beats. Bottom equals what note gets 1 beat. 4/4 equals common time. 3/4 equals waltz time. Gets mo na? That's how we count music. Next time on Lesson 4, Rests and Silence in Music, malalaman mo kung paano tumahimik ang mga nota. Yes, importante rin ang katahimikan sa musika. Kumbaga sa speech, kailangan natin ng pause para makahinga.
Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-like, subscribe, at share sa mga kamusika mo.
This is Teacher Ants, reminding you that learning music should always be fun.